Okay, hi everybody. Happy day 9 of what to do with the oils from your starter kit. And today we're going to talk about DIGIZE. DIGIZE both comes in the Vitality bottle, which is this labeled for internal use, and it comes in regular DIGIZE. And this is one that I love to always have with me in my purse, that I carry with me in case I'm out eating and I eat something that doesn't agree with me or somebody in my group does, if I overeat. So I'll take this one. I will just pour a couple drops in my mouth. That's a little aggressive. Some people like a couple drops in their water, or you can get the little gel caps that you can put some drops in and take that internally. It helps to support the digestive system in every way. It has oils like fennel and peppermint and anise, and those oils traditionally, in Italy and in other countries, they take some kind of bitter after they eat, a bitter blend of oils or herbs, or they eat fresh fennel just to help support the body in digesting a heavy meal. So that is how you can use DIGIZE. You can also put it on topically right over the stomach, rub it in. I'll do that sometimes when I eat too much, or if people are trying to support their digestion on a regular basis. It can be taken as a supplement internally or applied topically. It's a strong scented blend, and the flavor is also, it's very medicinal. So if you don't want to smell it or taste it, you can either put it in the capsules. You can also put it on the bottom of your feet, because as we've talked about, any oil that you put to the bottom of your feet will go where it needs to in the body. So those are some ways to use DIGIZE. Super medicinal, super supportive oil to carry with you and to use often. So don't be put off by the smell or the taste. Go out and use it, and you'll be really glad you did. Have a wonderful day.